Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable or enable AVX support in your PC in Windows 11 or 10. So how to do this, let's get started. First open CMD and run it as an administrator, and then you have to type this code bcdedit space /set space xs. It will say the operation completed successfully. This will enable it, and if you want to disable this, just type the same code as it is, just replace 1 from 0. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If a problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.